Hey everyone, it's Brian and Mandy from Langdon Family Travels, and we are here on our Orlando trip at the incredible Lake Nona Wave Hotel. We are experiencing
It's crazy.
some big surprises here. So let's go check out this room
Well, we've
together.
been here for a few minutes, and it's just like first impressions are really good.
Yeah,
Really
yeah,
good.
it's kind of crazy, just all the high-tech
start
features.
diving.
So let's dive into this together. Ready? Here we go.
So as you enter the Lake Nona Wave Hotel, you are met with an enormous and captivating lobby. For my artistic friends, this is an artist's dream. There are colors, there are textures, there's artwork, there are sculptures, there's interactive and moving aspects of this with lights and sound, and it's just a lot of fun to just sit there and take this in. It's got lovely trees integrated into the setting to give it such a warm and aesthetic feel. And the lobby is huge and has a lovely bar and a bunch of restaurants like Bacan that you can take advantage of. These are top of their class places to go and grab some food and drink. The Garni Cafe is a spot that we stopped in every morning for breakfast. The waitstaff was incredible, as well as the wonderful hostess and chef team that they have there. The beauty of this area cannot be understated. We loved going there and starting our day off every morning. The food was incredible. This croque madame was a dream for me. I enjoyed it so much. It came with some breakfast potatoes on the side that were equally as great. This was their French toast with some apples on there and orange cream, whipped cream on top. It was incredible. I really enjoyed this. The first day, I always go after eggs Benedict, and Mandi fell in love with this acai bowl as well. This was an incredible avocado toast as well, but it was on a croissant. Delicious with that fruit as well. You can see Mandi diving into the acai bowl here, and we absolutely loved it. Down at the bar team was so much fun. I didn't really enjoy one of my drinks there, and the bartender really listened to what I wanted and crafted me a brand new cocktail that was absolutely incredible. I highly recommend you go and visit them down there. They are really fun, interactive, engaging, and the drinks that we got there were really great. You can also order off of a small kind of bar menu that actually comes from Bacan. So we had some tostadas and some pork belly, super tender within there. I really enjoyed all these little treats we had. But this burger, let me tell you, was one of the best things that we ate while staying at the Wave Hotel.
If you guys need any help with your vacation planning, Mandi can book this hotel for you. So if you're looking for some extra help, reach out to Mandi or any magical memory planner, and we're here to help you out. It's only 15 minutes from the airport and about 20 minutes from Universal and about 30 to 40 minutes away from Disney. So if you're looking for a vacation where you're going to maybe go visit the parks for like a day or two, but looking for a really nice hotel that has a lot of really great amenities, this might be it for you. So I just was able to jump in the pool for a little bit. It was wonderful. The water was warm. I was the only one in the pool, so that was kind of nice as well. Yeah, friends. This hotel's got it all. 15 minutes from the airport, 20-30 minutes from your favorite theme parks. Yes. We're checking out the sculpture garden here in Lake Nona. And this is right outside of the Lake Nona Wave Hotel. And it's this beautiful kind of shaded area. So let's go check this out. This is Charging Bull by Arturo Di Modica. Again, I want to purchase this. It's pretty crazy. I really do love all this. Look, you can see the ambient lighting that they have within here. But these, did you Nona about all these plants and everything like this? I think it's really cool. I think our kids would really like this.
Agreed. It's a nice open area, which is always what we're looking for places for the kids to just like run and be loud and rambunctious, but like in an appropriate way. Like we wouldn't want them running inside the hotel, so that's really beautiful.
This is cool.
Other places, all up.
So this is cool. They got a sign up here that shows you the direction of where the airport is. So all these planes that we hear and see go over us are taking off from the airport because they're coming from the airport and going away. It points you to the sculpture garden as well as the Lake Nona Performance Club, which as a guest of the Lake Nona Wave, you do have access to. And this is a huge gym area. So there's an airplane right now. Yep, there's a little pathway that you can walk over, and it is that large building over there. That is the Lake Nona Performance Club. It's not a gym.
Yeah,
not a fitness center.
That was a little confusing when you said that. I thought it was like a performance venue.
No, yeah. We also have a sign over to Boxy Park. We're gonna go check. I'm gonna be able to go check out that later. Mandy unfortunately has to head home tonight. We're gonna see what that's like, as well as if you want to head over to the University of Central Florida College of Medicine. If you guys have any college-age children that want to check out some places, maybe to go do a college visit over there, and also point you over to where you will be able to see some rocket launches. We're not very far, probably about 30 to 45 minutes from Port Canaveral.
I'm less interested in the rocket launches than in the direction of the cruise port.
Yes. So it's putting you in the direction of that area over there. So this area is super cool though. All right, we are in room 620. It's located on the 6th floor, not too far from the elevators either. It's a great spot. So we even got this fancy card. Look at this fancy card. Here we go. And here we are.
Welcome to the Wave.
Yeah. First off, let's look at this bed. The bed looks incredible. It's huge. It's a king bed. That headboard is incredible. It's got some great backlighting. Each side has controls over here for blackout, open and closed curtains, as well as the shears. We have different modes like room on and relax and all the way off, as well as different ways to increase the lighting. Got great little reading light there. These each side has a nightstand. There's
And
a
they're
little
different, which is really cool.
Oh, they are different.
Yeah,
And each
I love
nightstand
this.
also has some charging capabilities on the sides. We have not only a regular US outlet, but we have a USB-A and USB-C charging port on both sides. It's a really nice looking accent chair. This was really nice. We walked in and we have a welcome note from the Wave with a bottle of wine here. So we'll be sure to have that later. It's nice on this beautiful dining table with 2 chairs there as well. So kind of looking at the rest of the room, we got outlets over there. Huge TV, tons of storage in there for you.
Ooh, temperature.
You can adjust everything in the room with this iPad, which is really nice.
Already.
You adjust the temperature as well as the lighting. There's some room privacy so we can turn it on and off to let people know, like the housekeeping.
There's the TV remote. They'll deliver us ice. Oh my gosh, it's the best day of my life.
Yeah, this is the whole room service menu. But if you don't feel like heading down to one of the many restaurants that they have here, you can have it delivered right to your room. And these are restaurants that are Michelin rated and recommended. Bacan, which is their Latin-inspired cuisine, is Michelin recommended. We're going to go over some more of the dining stuff a little bit later, but this is...
for now, this is a good place to start.
Yeah, the room service menu is pretty legit. Look at this thing. Holy moly. What do you think of all the tech options? Is that a lot for you or is it okay? Put it in the comments below. We've got some still water with electrolytes right there.
It's the fanciest water I ever saw.
And we have a Nespresso
Bye-bye,
machine.
plastic.
And we have some Nespresso pods in there.
Nora, here's some tea for you.
All right.
I'm gonna take that home for you.
Definitely gonna be
Also
taking a
light
couple of
turned
things off. We have some condiment kits there. So we have all these, it's not Nespresso pods, they're Lavazza pods. So you have a couple different.
They actually are like, they're on one of the cruise lines.
Come over and we have a huge mirror right there. Hello, everyone. But we have some slippers. Thank you.
Also for our children, so they stopped taking mine. And, ooh, they're nice.
And if you
It's
want to
like
buy
really
it,
thick. Yeah, we won't be buying it, but
it's
it
50
says,
bucks.
Take me home. I mean, I feel like that's not a bad price for a robe. And here's where
Yep.
you can put all your secret things if you're tall, which I am not. So Brian can put his stuff there.
There's also an ironing board back there, so we have some hangers that within there. Yeah, so this kind of blew us away over here.
It's the bathroom.
The bathroom is pretty crazy. Now this is an accessible room, so let's take a look at the shower first, and you can see it's got just a curtain right there, so that if you are in need of accessibility help, you can just roll right it in there, or you don't have to worry about.
If you have children, because our kids would flood this whole area.
But it comes with some really nice products as well. We
Yes,
got
it's called Fantastic Shampoo and Fantastic Conditioner.
by Ellis.
An excellent hand and body wash.
We have a
Ooh,
huge
look at
mirror
these.
right there.
They're so pretty.
Lots of storage right here as well.
What's in there?
Nothing.
Ooh,
Some Kleenex right there.
hair dryer.
That doesn't come out. But this is the fancy
Oh,
thing.
I like this.
This is the fancy
Wait,
toilet.
wait, wait.
Look at that. Now, this isn't your normal toilet, but this is very fancy. We
Okay,
can see.
here's our favorite part right here. User 1 and 2. So we can make our own settings for our toilet needs.
So we have different things such as an eco flush, pulsating wash. You can adjust the dryer as well as the water pressure.
It dries your butt.
It dries your butt. Also can adjust the position of the wand and close it as well. So let's press this, and oh, there goes the seat.
Oh, mirror light.
So you can turn off the mirror light. Maybe that's gonna
Just
be
leave that on.
correct.
That's what I always like, things like that when we have our kids. That's like our night. Ooh. That's like our night light at night for the kids.
So yeah, it's a wonderful room. It's beautiful, it's spacious, and we can't wait to check out the rest of this area. So that's it for the room tour of the Lake Nona Wave hotel room. We are super duper excited to check out the rest of this room and everything. We've only been here for about 20 minutes, so this is like a real on the spot reactions and everything. So we're gonna let you know what's good about this hotel, as well as maybe some things that we were confused or overwhelmed or something. I don't know. We're gonna kind of see how the rest of this weekend goes within here. So thanks. Yeah, very optimistic about the quality of this hotel. For now, thanks for tuning in. This is Brian from Langton Family Travels. Mandy's over there. Keep making memories, friends.